High definition, 1080p. For channel synchronous monitoring, full angle protection. Dual TF card storage. Bigger capacity, worry-free recording. Two-way intercom. Built-in 3W speaker, sound clear and adjustable. X-Elect cooling system. Efficient heat dissipation structure for rapid cooling. Product structure. Powerful function, stable performance. More peripherals can be expanded. Temp and hum sensor, RFID card reader, alcohol sensor, TPMS, fuel sensor, relay, OBD and others. Super wide angle. More wider view field, cover multiple lanes. Advanced driving assistance system.
Front collision alert.
Driver monitoring system.
You are tired, please rest.
Face recognition. Easy to install. Just stick and it's done. Mobile app interconnection. Zero data consumption for video downloading and playback. Platform management. Real-time remote video viewing and vehicle tracking.